AI video has moved from per-clip experimentation to a layer inside a repeatable production pipeline. If you bill hourly for a tool that collapses post-production into minutes, you charge $50 for an output carrying $1,500 in commercial value. You bridge that gap by shifting from random generations to a managed delivery system. Take this storyboard draft for a 3-shot advertisement. A commercial project requires a consistent brand mascot, recognizable from the first frame to the last. To maintain control, ensure static character sheets and storyboard panels are legally approved and locked before animation begins. Front-loading client approvals prevents the endless, unpaid revision loops that typically erode a freelancer's profit margins. The primary technical challenge in video is cross-clip identity drift, where the AI model hallucinates changes to a face or an outfit as the camera angle shifts. We solve this using reference elements. By designating an approved static character sheet as the anchor, we preserve exact facial geometry across different shots. This portrait is locked into the reference module before writing scene prompts, embedding identity directly into the generation step. Solving for this continuity is what elevates a project from a series of vaguely similar clips into a publishable commercial asset. Ambient text prompts like cinematic look result in randomized camera behavior. To get repeatable results, the AI requires explicit cinematography instructions. This wireframe mesh illustrates the precision we can apply to camera motion. By using structured fields for pan, tilt, and zoom, we can assign specific intensity values from 0.1 to 10. For example, consider a shot where a subject runs toward the lens while the camera pulls back rapidly. The solution is to set a zoom value of -10, while explicitly prompting the subject's movement toward the camera to define the final frame. Using structured camera logic allows you to guarantee specific blocking and pacing, converting the generator into a reliable directorial tool. Within-clip stability can still face issues like fabric warping or facial morphing during complex movements. The protocol is generating clips in batches of 4, mathematically increasing the odds of securing one clean master clip. Once you have that flawless 5-second opening, you use the extend function to push the scene longer, building directly upon the existing pixels. Mastering this batch curation ensures that the final delivery only contains flawless, high-resolution movement. This workspace shows the final assembly phase. We drop curated, locked clips into a traditional timeline to align with audio tracks and voiceovers. Because the project was managed through approved storyboards and directable parameters, the final output meets high-end commercial standards. The workflow relies on 4 pillars: locking static assets, anchoring with references, directing with camera vectors, and utilizing batch extension. Professional AI video production belongs to those who treat these models not as a shortcut for content, but as a layer within a disciplined commercial pipeline.